digestion. We take food, after that as enter food in our mouth, then started digestion. But first of all we discuss about food. Okay, why food necessary to us, what type of need fulfill food to us, and after that we will learn sources of food, group of food, then we will discuss about digestion. But now we will discuss about food. एक food we all need food to live, है ना? हम लोगों को फूड का जरूरत क्या है, तो हम इसको अपने वर्ड में ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि जिंदा रहने के लिए फूड जरूरी है ना? जिंदा रहने के लिए फूड जरूरी. इट मींस वी हैव a lot of activities in our daily life, in our routine. Okay, some activities like playing, moving here and there, and a lot of work, many type of work. Farmer work in the field, sport person, different sport person, practice for the game. All these type of activity need energy. Okay, need energy. From where we get energy? Then a question arises in our mind. From where this energy we get? Then answer will comes in our mind. Food. Food is a source of energy to us. We get energy from food to complete different activities in our daily life. Okay. Now we all need food to live. Food provide. Now which things provide food? Food provide energy. Food provide us energy to work and play. Here work and play. We have discussed this. Work, different work and play. Okay. Now we need to food. क्यों जरूरत है हमें फूड की? क्या जरूरत को पूरा करता है फूड? Okay. We need to food. Get energy for our daily activities like work and play. It means if we play, if you do any kind of work, in that case we need energy. So that energy fulfilled by food. We take food. Okay. After that, get energy for proper functioning of different body organs. As we know, we have many organs in our body. Each and every organ work in different ways. If we talk about our eyes, also our eyes is part of our body. Organs of our body: tongue, nose, ear, hand, legs, and stomach also, and our heart. All these organs work on time, and all these organs need energy to work. It means all these organs need energy to perform their task. It means each and every organ perform their task by getting energy. They get energy from food. Okay. Next, grow new cells. Okay. Grow new cells and repair damaged cells and tissue of our body. Grow new cells. If we talk to complete this, first we take an example. With the help of example, try to understand. Grow new cells. If we talk about a growing children, okay, children grow, develop, है ना? तो बच्चे जो बढ़ते हैं उसमें क्या होता है कि उसको सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी का जरूरत होता है ना? तो ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन नीड मोर एनर्जी, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी. एक्चुअल में नेक्स्ट है कीप द बॉडी फिट, हेल्दी, वार्म एंड डिजीज फ्री, है ना? हमारे बॉडी क्या करता है? फूड प्रोवाइड करता है फिट रहने में, है ना? हेल्दी और वार्म एंड डिजीज फ्री. जस्ट टॉकिंग हियर, ग्रो न्यू सेल्स. एक्चुअली फूड डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 ग्रुप्स. Actually food divided into 4 groups. First carbohydrate, next protein, and next fat and vitamin and minerals. First carbohydrate, second proteins, third fat, and fourth vitamin and minerals. Carbohydrate also known as instant giving energy, means carbohydrate provide instant energy. Now one question arises in our mind, which kind of people need much more carbohydrate? Then its answer, that type of people who do more physical work. That type of people who do more physical work. Physical work means, with the help of, we can understand this physical work, some sport person practice for the game, and farmer work in the field, and different outdoor games. All these are comes in physical activities. Okay, actual में physical activities means need more energy. More energy means need instant energy provided by carbohydrate. Next point, proteins help us to repair, help in grow new cell and repair damaged cell. Okay, and tissue. Protein also known as bodybuilding food. Proteins help in grow new cell, repair damaged cell and tissue of our body. So always हमेशा कहा जाता है कि बच्चों को प्रोटीन रिच डाइट लेना चाहिए, इसलिए क्योंकि बच्चे क्या होता है, उनका ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट में प्रोटीन एक इंपॉर्टेंट रोल को प्ले करता है. इट मींस प्रोटीन प्ले ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन growth and development of our body, in our body and our organs. Okay, next point, fat also known as energy bank. हम लोग को पता है ना, बैंक मीन्स ऐसा जगह जहाँ पे किसी चीज को स्टोर करके रखा जाता है ना. इन जनरल में अगर हम बैंक का बात करते हैं तो बैंक का डायरेक्ट इंपैक्ट आता है हमारे माइंड में, बैंक जहाँ पे हम लोग पैसा रखते हैं. वेरी गुड, बट हियर एनर्जी बैंक है ना, यहाँ वर्ड क्या आ रहा है, एनर्जी. इट मींस एक ऐसा बैंक है जहाँ पे एनर्जी को रखा जाता है, नहीं रहता है. इस वर्ड में हम लोग समझ सकते हैं. तो फैट इज आल्सो नॉन एज एनर्जी बैंक. मींस आवर बॉडी स्टोर एनर्जी इन फॉर्म ऑफ फैट, है ना. हमारे बॉडी जो है एनर्जी को स्टोर करके रखता है फैट के फॉर्म में. ओके, तो हम इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि कभी ऐसा टाइम आता है जब हमारे बॉडी को प्रॉपर अमाउंट में एनर्जी नहीं मिल पाता. इन दैट केस आवर बॉडी यूज स्टोर एनर्जी which is stored in our body in forms of fat. That energy use our body to perform various type of tasks. It means our body organs, different organs need energy, different organ work need energy. So in that case our body use store energy which is stored in form of fat. Next is vitamin and minerals. How help us to vitamin and minerals? कैसे यूजफुल है हमारे लिए विटामिन और मिनरल? विटामिन और मिनरल्स ऐसा है कि हम इसको, ये हमारा बॉडी स्टोर करके नहीं रख सकता है, ये हमारी बॉडी में स्टोर रहता नहीं. इसलिए बोला जाता है कि विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स डाइट को डेली हमारे रूटीन में शामिल होना चाहिए, है ना. विटामिन एंड मिनरल डाइट, हमारा जो डाइट होता है उसमें डेली होना चाहिए, है ना. तो विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स कैसे हेल्पफुल है, कैसे यूजफुल है हमारे लिए, तो इसको इस पे से समझ सकते हैं कि विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स प्रोटेक्ट अस, है ना. विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल डिजीज. एज वी नो, we move here and there, we go different places to fulfill our need, है ना. हम लोग different जगह पे जाते हैं, घूमना फिरना होता है हमारा, है ना. तो उस केस में क्या होता है, different कंडीशंस में different एक्सटर्नल इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. In that case protein, vitamin and minerals help to protect from external diseases. Okay, so how vitamin and minerals helpful to us? Vitamin and minerals help in protect from external diseases. So all these food group we have discussed. Okay, talking about food groups. Food groups mainly divided into four groups. We have already discussed this: carbohydrate, proteins, fat, and vitamin and minerals. Okay. Then one question arises in our mind, very important question and very good question. Okay. Source of nutrients. It means from where we get carbohydrate, from where we get proteins, from where we get fats, from where we get vitamin and minerals. Here from here means which kind of food. If we eat which kind of food, which type of food, we get carbohydrate, proteins, fats and vitamin and minerals. Very important question and very good question this. Now we will discuss about sources of nutrients. Okay, sources of nutrients, it means by which food we get carbohydrate, we get protein, we get fats and vitamin and minerals. Okay, carbohydrate food sources as starch. Carbohydrate found in two forms. Okay, one starch and another is sugar. Okay, first one starch and another one is sugar. Here starch in wheat, rice, potatoes and bread. We get starch from wheat, rice, potato and bread. As sugar in sweet food and soft drink. Also we can get sugar from sugar cane. है ना? Next, proteins. Protein sources means milk, pulses, beans, cheese, mushroom, meat, fish and eggs. All these food, all this here, milk, pulses, beans, cheese, mushroom, meat, fish, all these food contains, means by eating all this kind of food we get protein. And next point, function. What is function of carbohydrate? What is function of proteins? What is function of fat? Here function of carbohydrate give instant energy. We have discussed this. Means that type people who do more physical work need much more energy in compared to that type of people which work in offices, means not do more physical work. Okay, it means carbohydrate provide instant energy. And function of protein. What is function of protein? Protein promote growth and building of muscles. It means protein help in our growth and development of our body. And next very important function of protein is repair damaged cell. Our body cells damage time to time. That damaged cell repair by protein. It means if we include milk, pulses, beans, cheese, mushroom in our diet, this type of diet helpful to repair our damaged cell and tissues. Next one, fats. We have already discussed this. Fat is also known as energy bank. It means fat, in form of fat our body store energy for future use. Okay. Now we discuss about fat. By which type of food we get fat? Okay. Now we get fat: nuts, cooking oil, cheese, butter, cream, ghee. All these kind of food contain fat. Okay. It means food will fat. Okay. Next, work of fat give energy and warmth to our body. It means fat help give energy and warm our body and absorb certain nutrients, and also fat helpful in absorb certain nutrients. And very important things at last I would like to discuss fat and carbohydrate. Both provide energy. Both provide instant energy also we can say. But how is different carbohydrate fat? How is different fats from carbohydrate, and how is carbohydrate different from fats? Very important things here. I would like to discuss this and between carbohydrate and fat is fat provide twice time of carbohydrate. It means fat provide energy twice time of carbohydrate. With the help of example, we can compute this. If energy we measure in calorie, if we take same quantity of carbohydrate and fat, if we take in our diet same quantity of carbohydrate and fat, in that case, उस केस में क्या होता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो हमारे बॉडी को जो एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करेगा उससे दोगुना सेम क्वांटिटी है, बट फैट क्या करेगा, हमारे बॉडी को दोगुना एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करेगा. ओके, आई होप यू एंजॉय द क्लास. ओके, थैंक यू.